Hello, and welcome to Group 3's case study. This week we will discuss implementation and institutionalization. First, implementation can be defined as using instructional materials or strategies in real settings. The purpose of implementation is to facilitate appropriate use of the innovation by individuals in the organization. Next is the institutionalization piece. Institutionalization is the continuing routine use of the instructional innovation in the structure and culture of an organization. The goal of institutionalization is to integrate the innovation within the structure and behavior of the organization. Greenfields Independent School District was established in 1919, giving it over 100 years in business. However, Greenfields Elementary opened in 2007 to serve a community of freshly built neighborhoods that were built the year prior. Over the past few years, the school has made the minimum growth necessary to overcome the improvement required rating from the Texas Education Agency. Currently, Greenfields has continued treading water to meet the state standards and avoiding the stigma of being that school. What we want to accomplish is to implement blended learning rotation stations inside the classroom. Here we have provided an overview of how one could organize the stations inside their classroom. This amazing school provides a summary of what a typical day would look like for a second grader. The specific problem is a culture of negativity that stems from diversion from vision, lack of leadership, and a past piecemeal implementation. An alternative would be a unified front that focuses all efforts on the success of every child, with guided creation of professional development sessions that will focus on positive student interactions as well as structural and systematic design of instruction. The next step would be the implementation of innovative practices in the classroom, all under the umbrella of a rotation station blended learning model. Which will result in a student-centered culture of success and learning for all stakeholders that will make Greenfields Elementary a highly desired place to work, grow, and learn. In conclusion, although Greenfields Elementary has suffered in the past from piecemeal, inconsistent, and fractional change, as well as a history that has caused negativity and a conflict among its faculty and staff, today's focus on technology acquisition and implementation have caused a lot of students to become more engaged in the classroom. More great changes are on the horizon with the development of blended learning rotation stations. In order for a blended learning rotation stations to be successful within Greenfields Elementary, many processes must first occur. Here we discuss two very important procedures, the implementation and institutionalization processes. Once these two processes have been successfully completed, rotation station blended learning will serve as a catalyst to trigger pivotal changes and establish an improved system of consistent accountability. Implementing and institutionalization of rotation stations will produce a new era of success. Learning will be enjoyed by teachers, students, and all stakeholders of Greenfields Elementary.